Mango, kiwi, and orange juice. Very
Yeah.
wobbly as well, though.
Mixture of argan oil, almond, and honey. Very delicious. Looks like. Hello everyone, Kaab Al Ghazal here, a local guide in Casablanca. I'm with Stefano from England today. He's my guest by Moroccan food tour. Today we're here for a food tour, of course, so it's going to be a food focused tour. We will have multiple food stops. We will try many different types of food, including fresh juice, pastries, seafood, and some dessert. And that, of course, includes some Moroccan minty, and that's very delicious. So stay tuned for that and keep watching. We will show you what we're going to have today. Right off the bat, that's our first stop here, which is a local place for fresh juice. Let's go inside. Alright, here's our juice. I got here the avocado smoothie, which is a mixture of avocado, milk, and some sugar. It's very thick texture. You can see it's very, very thick. And Stefano has here a mixture of, what do you have here?
Mango, kiwi, and orange juice.
And a little bit of sugar.
And some sugar.
As well.
It's like a very wobbly as well, though.
Yeah. Cheers, man. Yeah. You already finished? You already done?
Yeah, I'm a fast drinker.
That was a fresh start. I had the avocado smoothie, and he had mango mixed with kiwi and orange juice. They were both very delicious. Right now we're headed to our pastry spot to have some Moroccan pastry special food. Let's go. What a beautiful day. You were clever enough by bringing your shorts. I'm not.
But I feel like you dress like a local, though.
You're right. I look like a local,
Yeah.
while you look like a tourist.
Exactly.
At this pastry we came to try Kaab Al Ghazal, which translates in English to a gazelle ankle. It's a crescent-shaped Moroccan cookie, made with flour-based dough, filled with almond paste, aromatized with orange blossom water.
After our first and second food stop, let's do some sightseeing. And we are here at the, we call it the Pigeon Square. That's the local name for it. But the official name is the Mohammed V Square, which is the central hub of Casablanca.
The city's most important administrative building, and also the most beautiful, can be found in this square, reflecting an Art Deco style popularized during the French colonial era.
On the way to the central market, and we are right now in front of the gate. Let's go and check it out.
The central market represents a cultural experience, particularly in fresh food.
We will try first the oyster. That's our third food stop. We're gonna go for the sea urchin and oysters. We'll see how that's gonna be like. Give it a try.
Nice.
Very fresh.
Yeah, salty.
Oh, gotta be fresher than that.
Allez.
Tout en coup? Ouais.
Tastes like seafood. The experience here is shopping the fish, the ones that we like, and then we take them to the restaurants to cook them outside. So we bought our fish, we did the shopping, and now we're headed to the restaurant where they will cook it for us. Right here. So we have here some calamari, shrimps, sardine, sea bass, and eggplants, fried eggplants, harissa. This is our table. It's very hot. Ooh, it's so hot. Alhamdulillah. We had a big meal at the central market with fish, big collection of fish, and we feel kind of stuffed, right?
Yeah, we're in a good place.
Right. But we still have another food stop, and that's gonna be for dessert. Yeah, get your own.
It's with almond, with honey, and pure argan oil for eating.
Sorry. It's alright. So this is argan oil, which is a mixture of, it's amlo, which is a mixture of argan oil, almond, and honey. Very delicious. It looks like peanut butter. The juice.
Nice. Very nice.
Great. We made it to the last food spot at the Sqala restaurant, and what we ordered is good, man. You got it. We have plenty of foam here.
What we have here on the table is a Moroccan green tea with multiple species of mint. And the food is called jawhara, or milk pastilla, which is a combination of filo sheets pastry, honey, almond, and cream.
Cheers.
Can I have a wider smile? Cool. This is the first one. That's great, man.
Look at that for a foam.
Yes, you did it right.